I'm gonna do my YOLO impression. Only 49.
I'm afraid.
Yep.
I'm not ready.
Entrance is clear.
Okay.
I'm not ready yet.
Oh my gosh. Go back to the entrance. Go back to the entrance.
Oh shit.
Come
Which
with
way?
me. Come with me. Come with me. Follow me.
What happened?
I don't know. He TP'd to me. Hurry up.
Oh,
I must wait.
Sorry, I've not done this before. I get it.
Yeah, every time you TP, you're supposed to TP to the entrance. When I tell you the entrance is clear, it's because I already cleared the area for you to stay safe.
I should have told him to just TP to me because I was standing in the entrance.
I'm not ready.
I'm sorry.
Freaking Dark Knight keeps messaging me about that amulet.
I must wait. I'm not ready. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet. I must wait.
Yesterday I managed to find a 3GA dagger that had the
I'm not ready.
that had all the purple stats I need. And I got lucky and rolled tempered the right stuff on it. I was for real.
I'm not
I was
ready.
like, yay!
I'm hoping they're still planning on like including something to like be able to re-roll your tempers.
I must wait.
Hopefully that's
there's this thing they call it this. It's like a scroll of retempering. You can only get it in I
I must
think
wait.
by doing horde, and it only allows you to re-roll a temper one time.
okay.
So it's
I'm not
it
ready yet.
doesn't sound like it's that great, but it's a little bit like
Well, definitely. I mean, if it's like just right a piece and worth that, yeah.
I must wait. I'm not ready. I must wait. I must wait. I'm not ready yet. I must wait.
So I watched the first episode of X-Men all over again. I'm rewatching.
X-Men what? The movie?
Yeah. I mean,
Oh, okay, cool.
it's an X.
I'm afraid.
So the first X-Men movie.
I'm afraid. I'm afraid. I'm not ready yet.
First one's okay. The second one was good. I really liked the second one. The third one was
I'm afraid.
they tried to do a little too much. I really didn't like the third one that much. I really liked the second one. And I didn't like that Wolverine Origins movie that much. And I'm a big Wolverine fan. I just felt like they ruined his origin in that movie. Like the first half of the movie. No, it looks like an actual playoff.
No, that Origins, Wolverine Origins though, that had a decent video game adaptation. Like,
Yeah, the video game was awesome. I like the video game. The video game
Yeah.
was great.
Yeah, that would deserve a remake for like nowadays. That was just like it was surprisingly good.
I still kept my copy. It was really good.
Yeah, I just remember just playing it, just being like, alright, like fucking just like well done. Like all the way through. It's like, wow, this is solid. What the fuck?
I'm not ready.
Alright, Dave, there's your devouring blaze.
Thanks, man.
No problem. Hi, Mama Wolf.
Hey, I was just gonna say, what the hell is mine?
Are you doing a fireball?
I'm not ready.
Alright, I'm gonna go back to keep power level on Ruka's Necro.
I'm afraid.
So wait, my friend just got a 3 GA Tyrell's Might.
Look, ooh, nice.
And he triple critted damage reduction on his masterwork.
Really go around for this play at all, then you can leave. I might not kill him quick enough. I think I will, but I'm just making sure.
I'm afraid.
I started putting together that
Not
mythic
ready.
version of that fireball build.
Like
Well, I was eventually gonna go to there, but at the time I just didn't have the Seiko nor the
Not ready
materials
yet.
might. So I got a mount to work the Seiko actually I had it mount to work the
I'm afraid.
so I'm gonna masterwork the Tyrael's Might. I haven't put the Tyrael's Might on yet. Seiko's already helped me quite a bit already.
I'm afraid.
We got separated. My friends were
But I got a 4GA Gloves of the Illuminator with a
yeah, you
zero.
got those which you almost broke down.
And then I got a 4GA Staff Elder's Rage. The aspect roll is 82. I'll take this.
Nice.
I'm afraid.
It feels nice.
Oh, there's a lot of enemies.
He's doing that
I'm
thing.
afraid.
Yeah. Wolf has got reinforcements coming.
I'm afraid.
This way.
Without you,
The last 14.
I'd be dead.
Be careful to exit.
Think I can manage from here?
Just be ready to exit out just in case. Okay, I killed him. You're good. You're good. You're good. I slayed him. I was just afraid I wasn't going to slay him quick enough, but I did. Something told me to throw that trap down first, so that kind of helped. Hey. Go.
Alright. I'm gonna go back and join Ruka as soon as I go to bed. If you guys got room, she's power leveling glyphs right now around the 50s.
I probably might have one or
I must wait.
I don't know. I might have one
probably
more.
have like 1 or 2 in me. I got church tomorrow. But
Yeah.
we're probably gonna do like 2 or 3 more maybe.
Okay, I'll let her know. Alright,
Wait,
see you
I'm
guys.
I'll see you later.
See you later, man.
I'm gonna tip it to you.
Even.
Yeah. I got to spin those obols.
Back to Kovastan?
If you already
Okay.
got you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, I totally forgot. Okay. I don't even have any good glyphs. But...
If you don't have any glue, maybe we can walk this one.
We can.
I mean, I
Did
did
you-
kill everything.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, you mean, to grab stuff?
To find glyph.
Okay.
I'm not ready yet.
I like how everywhere your skeletons go, everything dies. Like I hear the mice croaking on the way.
I got scored. I can just level this one up.
Well, you don't want to keep running. Maybe there might be some other glyphs.
If you don't mind, sure.
I don't mind.
Okay.
Just keep walking and see if you got any other glyphs you can pick up. It'd be nice if the glyphs actually went into your box.
Yeah.
That's the boss room. That might be the only one you got since you just hit 50.
Watch out when you get there, because I think that's where Dark Knight was.
I think the only other place it would be if there was one, would be like here. It's the only like legendary scene, and that's the only drops I've really seen.
Yeah.
So.
Did you find any of them at all?
Yeah, I have one, so we can
You only
split
found
it up. Here, yeah, in this dungeon, it seemed like, well, I just got a bunch of, like, loot.
It's probably all he's got. Since he just hit like
Yeah.
50, he probably not that many drop.
Alright, TP out.
Yeah.
I need more time. I'll be right back. I need to use the restroom.